Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And today, looking forward to sharing with you about another great ULANZI product to organize your GoPro. This was sent to me to do a review on and share with you. I'll put a link in the description where you get more information. You can ask questions, read reviews, and order it. Do appreciate you clicking on the link if you are interested. And this is a great way to help organize, in addition to using the GoPro, is the LED light that I have. Also, I have the Rode microphone and the external adapter for the microphone, and then the grip. And I'll put links to these other products as well. Very affordable, under $20. So let me share with you what it comes with. So this is the case that it comes with. You do have a cold shoe mount, but it does come one so it raises the level of the microphone. And so, especially if you're using the windscreen, it helps keep the windscreen out of the picture. And I'll demonstrate video to you. Then it comes with this lens filter as well. They call it the lens filter mount. You've got a cover option as well for the lens cover if you don't have one. And then you have the bracket that it all sits on. So I'm going to go ahead and connect it all together now. So have a little fun. First of all, and by the way, I have the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I believe that this works with the GoPro 5, 6, and 7. And it does have a little latch on the side here to keep the door in place. And then this opens up. So we'll go ahead and put the GoPro in here. Now, before you put the GoPro in, you need to make sure to take the side door off because there's no room to work with it if you don't. So you have to take it off. And then it slides in. There you go. Go ahead and put the door on. So they've really done a nice job, and it's very lightweight, which is nice once you have this set up. Obviously, when you start adding more stuff, it adds a little bit more weight to it, but nonetheless, it works well. So now the GoPro's in there. Next up, we'll go ahead and, let me show you. So you have the option here where you can use that filter. And you could take that off and then just put the cover on. So you have the option. So we'll go ahead and put the filter on so you can just see that if you want to use that. Now we'll get the grip. So I love this grip, by the way. It's iGadgets. Go ahead and screw this in on this side. And then on top, by the way, it's got a rubberized material, so it sits well with the GoPro with the case right there on top. And this just screws in real quick. And put that on. Screws that in on the bottom, which is nice that it doesn't have the typical GoPro bottom connection. And then next, we'll go ahead and we'll put the microphone adapter piece in. So this just slides in like this. And once you get it in, it sits perfectly. So just like that, you can see it sits in well. And then they recommend you turn it and set it up like this. So just like that. Now you can put the light on. And actually, I'm sorry, we're going to put the light on this side here because we're going to put the microphone on top. So that's the light. And then we'll put the microphone next. All right, so got the microphone. Now you could tuck the wire back there so it stays a little bit higher. So when you put the windscreen on there, it stays out of the picture. So now let me go ahead and put the windscreen on. So the windscreen's on, and then you can work with the windscreen so it flattens out. And now I could turn the light on so it adds some nice lighting. And let me go ahead and show you. I'll turn on video capture here. So now I could start recording myself, and you could see the windscreen is not in my face. So this will give you an idea there. And again, you could turn it off, turn it back on, and that's nice. So you got a nice clean setup. So there you go. What's also nice is you can put this right on your desk, and you can use it as a way for a mount, a desk mount, and then shoot that way, and you still have the best of all worlds. You got the microphone, you've got the light, of course you got the GoPro, and you've got this nice clean setup. So definitely there's some great accessories. ULANZI did a great job with this. Again, this is the V2 Pro. Put a link to this, all the accessories. Let me know if you have any questions, if you're using it, what do you think, how it's working, what do you think of the setup? So appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this setup will be of help to you as well, making you look like a professional videographer and keeping yourself organized with your GoPro Hero setup. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Take care.